Well, of course, it turned out to be another hot one for us today. All week long, our temperatures have been sitting right around 100 degrees, and we did it again today. 103 was the official high. Looks pretty good right now. We're looking at Indigo Sky, a casino and resort parking lot filling up Friday night. Pretty quiet for us, at least over the next several hours. We still have an excessive heat warning in effect once again tomorrow in the magenta color. Everybody else is under heat advisories. But look at our temps. We're still sitting mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees across the region. We can go outside. Here's 7th. Here's Rangeline sitting at 90. Feels like 95. West, southwesterly winds are light at about 5 to 10. We're pretty quiet. Had an isolated shower or two in our southern counties, but most of us look pretty good for the next several hours. Severe thunderstorms up across central parts of Missouri heading away from us. What we are watching is what's going on across Nebraska and developing in northwestern Kansas as this complex will start to head toward us as we go through about the next 12 to 18 hours. The heat has been caused by this big, massive area of high pressure finally starting to break down, which means in return, we start to cool off just a little bit as we go through the weekend. All right, we do have a severe threat, but this is tomorrow night. This is not tonight, and it is a level 2 out of 5, mainly along and north of I-44. Timing here is going to be 10 p.m. tomorrow night until about 3 a.m. Sunday morning. Main threat is going to be hail and gusty winds. I'm going to keep the tornado threat on the very low side. Let's step through time. A couple isolated showers, southern counties over the next couple hours. Then as we go through the night, we're pretty quiet. We could get some scattered thunderstorms trying to get going very late tonight. Here 6 a.m. mainly along and north of the I-44 corridor. These will kind of fall apart as we go through the morning, and then more will start to regenerate in southeastern Kansas by mid-morning, and kind of a dying complex works through late morning into the early afternoon. These are going to be scattered. This is not going to be a wall of rain. And then as we go into tomorrow evening, additional scattered thunderstorms try to pop up across the region. Then we're going to watch that batch tomorrow night. This is going to be the one that could be a little bit stronger, low grade severe tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And then most of the rain should be out of here for Sunday morning, and then Sunday afternoon looks pretty good. Temperatures better, highs right around 90 degrees. All right, we got to see where the heaviest bands of rain are going to set up. So you can't take this exactly rainfall amounts. It just shows us that we have the potential for a quarter, half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch in spots with our next storm system rolling through. Heat indices are still going to be up there for us tomorrow, right around 105, 106 degrees. Actual temperature about 95. The clouds may keep us down a little bit. If we get a whole bunch of clouds, we may not even hit 95. 92 on Sunday, 88 though on Monday before we heat back up the middle of next week.
Well, I mean,
were you even listening?
I was. I mean, what can you say? It's been hot. We've got more hot days ahead of us.
I know, but at least it's cooling down a little bit over the next few days.
I know. Well, we need it. I'm looking forward to those nights that are in the 60s finally. That'll be nice.
Pretty good.
Because if you were paying attention, it's easier to sleep when it's cooler.
I was not paying attention, but thank you.